In this video, I'll show you the full tutorial on how to use our new employee absence tracker spreadsheet. With your purchase, you'll also get a Google Sheets version, and both versions work the same way with no difference in usage. For this demo, I'll be using Excel. We'll begin from the Instructions tab and follow these simple steps. Step 1 says go to the Menus tab and update all your abbreviations and codes. We've included quick instructions there to help you. This is the Menus tab. Here you can customize up to 7 leave types and set your own full day and half day leave codes as needed. If you want to disable any leave type, you can simply turn it off. Here you'll also see the year start option. This refers to the year you want to use the absence tracker for. When you change the year, the entire tracker updates automatically for that year. Because of this, the tracker is reusable every year. At the bottom, we've included a quick guide explaining how these options work so you can understand and set everything up easily. So let me show you how the tracker updates when you change any menu. By default, the leave options provided here are the most commonly used ones. As you can see, the same leave menus appear across all tabs. Now let me change one of them to show you how it works. I'll update other reason to casual leave. For a full day, I'll set the code as C1, and for a half day, I'll set it as C2. A full day leave will be recorded as 1 point, and a half day leave will be recorded as 0.5 point. You can treat these as points or days based on your requirement. This will become clearer when I show you how to enter employee absences. Once the leave type is updated, you can see that it's applied across the entire spreadsheet. In the same way, you can update all leave menus as needed. If you disable any leave type, it will be removed from the tracker. For now, I'll switch everything back to the default leave menus. With this, step 1 is completed. Now let's move on to step 2. In step 2, it says next, open the employee list tab and add all your employees. You can add up to 200 employees. This is the employee list tab. Here you can add all your employee details. Once you enter the employee data, it will automatically reflect across all 12 monthly tabs. So let me add the data first, and then I'll show you how it updates throughout the tracker. Yep, now I've added the employee details, and you can see that all the names and their roles are automatically updated across all the monthly tabs. With this, step 2 is fully completed. Now let's move on to step 3. Step 3 says, go to the month where you want to record an absence. Find the employee and the correct date, then enter the leave code you created earlier. For example, type S for a full day sick leave or S1 for a half day sick leave. The cell will automatically change to the correct color. Repeat the same steps for all other months. So, step 3 is all about marking employee leaves. Here, you can see that the layout is kept simple and clean, making everything easy to read. At the top, we've displayed all the leave types along with their absence codes, which helps you mark leaves accurately. Once you start entering the leave codes, the tracker will automatically update the leave totals here. So now, let's mark leaves for an employee. Daniel Fernandez has requested vacation leave from January 5th to January 8th and will report back on January 9th. He is taking 4 full-day leaves with no half-days involved. For vacation leave, the full-day code we've set is V. I'll navigate to January 5th and enter V for each day from January 5th to January 8th. Now, his leave has been successfully recorded for 4 days. As you can see, once the leave is marked, the total leave days are automatically updated here. This is how you mark employee leaves. It's very simple, right? Now let me mark leave for one more employee. Mary Joseph requested a half-day leave on January 10th and a full-day leave on January 11th due to personal reasons. For personal leave, the half-day code is set as P1, so I'll enter P1 on January 10. On January 11, she's taking a full-day leave, and the full-day code is P, so I'll enter P for that date. This means she has taken a total of 1.5 days of leave, and the same is automatically reflected in her totals. This is how you record absences based on employee requests. To make things easier, the leave menu at the top shows the full-day code first and the half-day code second for quick understanding. You can follow the same method to mark leaves for all months. With this, step 3 is fully completed. Now let's move on to step 4, the final step. Step 4 says use the Team Report tab to see which employees have been absent and the Employee Report tab to check each employee's absences individually. Now let's look at both the Team Report and the Employee Report tabs. At the moment, the template doesn't have much data, so the reports won't show much. Let me quickly add some example data so you can see how the reports look in a real-life scenario. Yep, now I've added some example leave data across all the months for the employees. Let's first check the Team Report tab. This is the Team Report. Here, you'll see data only for employees who have taken leaves during the selected months. The sheet includes all 12 months and gives you a full year overview of employee absences. The data is automatically sorted from highest to lowest absences, making it easy to quickly identify trends. You don't need to do anything manually. The report fills in automatically based on the leave entries you record in each month. It's a simple and minimalist team report designed for quick and clear absence tracking. Now let's move on to the Employee Report. This is the Employee Report tab. Here, you can view the full year absence data for an individual employee by selecting their name. Once you do that, the report populates instantly like this. Now you can see a year-at-a-glance view of the employee's absence data. All leave details for the entire year are clearly displayed. The report is aesthetically designed, and we've included bar and pie charts to make it more engaging and easier to understand. You can simply use the drop-down menu or type and select the employee's name, and all reports will update instantly. You can also change the week start date to Sunday or Monday, and the calendar will adjust automatically based on your selection. With this, step 4 is fully completed. I hope you can now easily use and maintain your employee leave data. That's it for this video. If you need any help or support, feel free to contact us, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you. Bye.